Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting problem that is t square by 81 equals 81 by t square. So we will start solving this question by using the cross multiplication rule. So cross multiply t square into t square, 81 into 81. So this will become t power 4 and this will become 81 square. T raised to power 4 can be write as t square and square because we know that a raised to power mn can be write as a raised to power m and its whole power is n. And this 81 can be write as 9 square and its square. Now we get t square and square minus 9 square and square equals 0. We have two possibilities, t square minus 9 square and the t square plus 9 square. So t square plus 9 square equals 0 and the t square minus 9 square equals 0. This gives us t square is t minus 9 and the t plus 9. And this gives us that we get t square is as t square equals minus 9 square, t square equals 9 iota square. So t equals plus minus 9 iota, and in this case you have t equals 9 and the t equals minus 9. So these are the all values we get from this. Now we will write the final answers here. We get four values. First is t equals 9, t equals minus 9, t equals 9 iota and t equals minus 9 iota. Now we will solve this by verification is our answer is correct or not. So first of all, we will take t equals 9. So in the left hand side and in the right hand side. So we get 9 square by 9 square in the right hand side, and this will become 1. In the left hand side and in the right hand side we get 1. Now when we take t equals minus 1, so t equals, we get t equals minus 9. So this will be minus 9 square by 81. Again this is 1. And in the right hand side 81 by minus 9 square, that is again 1. When we take iota value, what we will get, now we will solve this for iota, that t equals, in the left hand side we have minus 9 iota its square divided by 81, that gives us 9 square is 81 and iota square is minus 1, minus into minus 1 is plus 1, so 81 by 81 is 1. In the right hand side we have 81 by 9 iota square, again this is 81 by, and iota square is minus 1, so minus minus will become plus, and we have right hand side again equals 81. So that means left hand side and the right hand side both are equal. So for minus 9 in the left hand side, when we take plus 9, so 9 iota square divided by 81, and in the right hand side we have 81 by 9 iota square. So this is minus 81 by 81 and this is also 81 by minus 81. So this is minus 1 and this is also minus 1. It's mean our solution is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.